Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add collision to a tile map layer in Godot, so your player can't walk through objects like barrels. First, I already have a barrel obstacle drawn using a tile map layer. Right now, there is no collision applied, so the player can walk straight through it. To fix that, select your tile map layer in the scene. In the inspector window, click on the TileSet property. This will open the TileSet editor window. You'll see a blue region around the tiles. You can also click the small drop-down arrow and choose Edit to open it. Now, in the TileSet editor, expand the Physics Layers option. Click the Add Element button to create a new physics layer. By default, the collision layer and collision mask will be set to 1. Make sure your player is also using the same collision layer. You can check that in your player's collision shape or collision object properties. Next, select your tile map layer again. At the bottom panel, open the TileSet tab and choose your TileSet resource. Click on the Select a Property Editor drop-down. From Physics, choose Physics Layer 0. Now you can paint collision directly onto your tiles. Just paint over the barrel or any area where you want the player to collide. To erase collision, click the 3 dots in the painting tools and choose Clear, or press the C key as a shortcut. Then paint over the area you want to remove. To reset back to the default tile shape, click the 3 dots again and choose Reset to Default Tile Shape, or press F on your keyboard. For a custom collision shape, click the Add button. Start clicking to draw points around your object and connect back to the first point to finish the shape. You can also move the points to adjust the shape. Finally, press play and test it. Now your player should collide with the barrel instead of walking through it. And that's it. You've successfully added collision to your tile map layer in Godot.